welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz and I'm going vegan while doing things a little extra each time. For our vegan calamari, we're going to start with whole hearts of palm and we're going to reserve the juice. I cannot stress how important that is. It is key to this recipe, so make sure you save the liquid. Then just cut your hearts of palm into however thick you want your calamari rings to be. Then to get that ring shape, just push out the centers. I like to save or snack on them. You can totally just fry them at the end as like little extra crispy nuggets of goodness, but totally up to you. And then for our batter, we're going to start with 4 tablespoons of flour and then get in some of our reserved hearts of palm liquid. This is going to give that like briny, salty-ish kind of taste. And then we're going to throw in some salt, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, and some furikake. I like the nuttiness of it. You can totally just use little shredded seaweed bits if you have them. And then if your batter is too thick like mine was here, then all you want to do is add in more of our reserved hearts of palm liquid. So there's no water going into this batter. Let me say that again. There's no water. I find that using the hearts of palm liquid really amps it up, and that's what makes this so much better. So then you just want to get your hearts of palm rings into the batter, toss them to coat, and then we'll prep our breading station. And for that, we're just going to do a mixture of regular breadcrumbs and panko breadcrumbs. And then I will get my hand in there and kind of break up both of these to make the panko like a little bit more palatable. And then I will similarly season. So I'm going to throw in some furikake, some parsley, some garlic powder, some paprika, and then get that mixed. It's so important to make sure every step of this is seasoned. That's what's going to give this calamari life. So once you get your battered calamari in there and tossed and coated, then you can preheat some oil and just pan fry until they're crispy golden brown. You could totally air fry these, you could deep fry, you could even bake them if you wanted. I just find that pan frying is like the easiest and always is guaranteed to be deliciously golden brown. So that's what I prefer to do. And then once they're done and fried, I just transfer them to a paper towel lined plate and season them again with some more salt. Again, season, season, season. That is key. And then they're good to go. I love to serve mine with some marinara, topped with a little bit of parm, but you can do like a spicy mayo works really well. Even something that's like tartar sauce. It's all good. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you all next time.